Hey GHL fan, just gonna shoot a quick video about the AI chat widget that we built because I saw a lot of question about the live chat conversational AI with GHL. So we have our own chat widget that basically you set it up and it spit out a script that you can put it anywhere on any website, and the chat widget is going to be right there. Obviously it can hook up to your Facebook, Instagram, DM, TikTok, and all of those kind of jazz. I'm not going to go through all those details, how you can integrate it with all the other CRMs and webhooks and those kind of things. But yeah, simplest thing is, okay, let's go ahead and basically do a simple booking. Book tomorrow at, let's say, 8:30 a.m. Let's see if you have available time at 8:30 a.m. Hopefully I've set it up. There we go. So as you can see, it has criteria. It asks specifically the first name, last name, phone number, an email address. So if you miss any of those because we set it up as required, it's not going to let you to book. So let's put a first name Sia and then last name with a bunch of gibberish characters, and then let's say put oops, and let's put an email there and also a phone number, and let's hit enter. Let's see if it works. So give it a sec. So it's going to basically actually add that into a calendar, and you're going to see that contact with the details that they provide inside the GHL. So let's go back to GHL and see. This is the previous one that I just created before this demo, and now let's refresh that. I'm going to pause this. And here we go, it's back up, and as you can see, we already have all the information in here. So if I click on this person, we got all the details, and also the appointment is right there. Now, obviously, I know you guys are not going to think about oh, what about the additional information, or if you have custom field and those kind of things. I'm just going to pause this quickly and show you two other AIs that we have for some roofers and also plumbers that use Jobber as well. So this connects to Jobber as well, and I'm going to show you how it actually updates all those details. Alrighty, I'm back. So this is a roofing company. This is a demo. So basically, as you can see, we ask what services do you provide, boom, bumps it up, and it says, do you want to do a free inspection? So yes, I love that. So this company want to know all of this stuff, and all of them are required. So we're just going to dump it there. It says thank you, and I miss specifically the address and also where was it that I hear from them. So it's going to ask it again. So I put those in, and now if you go back and have a look at the GHL, the account is there, and if I click on it, you'll see that it says gutters and it also says Google. So pretty much everything that you want gets added. The other one is roofing one, which is, I think it's this one. There we go, same thing. What services do you offer? Can you schedule an appointment? This one asks a lot of questions, so we basically put it there, and there we go, it adds there. So service details, which day would you like to come, what is the another day that you want to come, and what are your preferred arrival times. So it adds all the information there, and there should be one of these jobbers. I think that's the API. That's the API. Let me just go to my jobber. Sorry for that, I wasn't completely ready for this. Let's go back to my jobber account and just show you the request that's been created. So if I go back to request, and you will see the requests are coming in here, and the informations are there. So this is the exact information that we got inside the GHL, as you can see. So not just for booking appointment, it can also does those kind of things as well, and sits on every website. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.